friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome back to this week's cooking video. I know it's been quite a while since we've done one, but I'm so happy to be back. So today we will be making a cookie and a mug. Now, I first learned how to make a cookie and a mug when I was in high school, and since then I have enjoyed this treat as a dessert and an after-school / work treat. For our cookie and a mug, we will be using brown sugar, almond milk, vanilla extract, butter, all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. All right, so let's get started. I already pulled my hair back, but I'm gonna hop off for just a second to wash my hands. All right, so I'm back and my hands are all nice and squeaky clean, so it's time to get started. So first you'll want to grab a microwave safe mug. You'll know it's microwave safe by looking at the bottom, and it should say microwave and dishwasher safe. All right, so this is the mug that I'll be using. Next, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of my brown sugar, and I'm going to put that in my mug. So we'll count 2 tablespoons. One, 2. All right, and next I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my almond milk. I like to use the Silk almond milk, and this is unsweetened. So we have 1 tablespoon of milk. And next we will add 1/4 a teaspoon of our vanilla extract. So here I have our itty bitty 1/4 measuring spoon. Okay, so last thing we'll need to do is add 1 tablespoon of our butter. And I actually forgot to mention, you're supposed to melt the butter. I've already melted my butter, but here is 1 tablespoon of our melted butter. And there it goes into the mug. Alright, so now that we have these ingredients in the mug, it's time to mix it together. Now you can use a fork or a spoon. I'm actually going to be using this mini whisk. It's actually a pig. I'm going to whisk this thoroughly. Alright, and now it's time for us to add our dry ingredients. So you're going to need 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I'm actually going to be using whole wheat flour because this is the only flour that I have, but I've used this before and it still works. So we have 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're going to take our 1/4 teaspoon again, and we're going to add our baking soda. And next we're going to be adding a pinch of salt. Now I actually don't have the salt where you can just put your hand in and take it out. I only have the one that you can grind. So what I've done is I've just lightly tapped on the bottom of the salt shaker, and I put that into the palm of my hand, if you can see that. And I'm just going to add this to the mug now. Right, and now I'm going to mix this all together until it becomes dough. Alright, so this is what our dough looks like now. And now time for my favorite part. It's time to add the chocolate chips. Now you can add as many chocolate chips as you'd like. I like a lot of chocolate chips, so I'm gonna add a lot. Okay, so I put my chocolate chips in my mug, and now it's time to microwave our cookie. So you're supposed to microwave your cookie for about 1 minute. However, some microwaves are different than other microwaves, and you might have to microwave it for a little bit longer. And it's always important to ask a parent or a caretaker for help when we're using kitchen appliances. Okay, so my cookie is all done, and I'm going to be using some oven mitts to get the mug out of the microwave. Okay, so here is our cookie in a mug. It smells so good, and you can also enjoy this with some ice cream or peanut butter if you're up for it. So thank you guys so much for joining me for our latest cooking video. We also have other cooking videos for our teen department and our adult department, so be sure to check those out. Thank you guys so much again, and I hope to see everyone soon.